Bright Kid Montessori House Curriculum is a unique preschool curriculum program that is researched, designed and developed for early childhood education, based on our 13+ years of experience, which has developed more than 35,000 children. Our curriculum is a framework of essential elements that connects the real world with early childhood learning by doing activities. In Bright Kid Montessori House Curriculum, learning is always fun. Concepts are always deep-rooted. Applications are always encouraged. And creativity is always championed. The curriculum we follow in our preschool program is a blended program that consists of 4 parts for the academic and holistic development for the children: Montessori, Bookkit Activities, interactive smart class activities and thematic activities. The Montessori curriculum has proven itself over 100 years, is for cognitive and motor skills development. The Bookkit activity curriculum is for reading, writing and arithmetic skills development, which are in line with all major curriculum guidelines like CBSE NCERT guidelines and, more importantly, aligned with the recently released National Education Policy. Interactive smart class activities develop cognitive and application skills using fun-filled interactive voice-enabled learning app. Let me explain you about the Montessori curriculum. In Montessori, we have almost 40 activities for every level using various scientifically designed Montessori and learning materials that are organized in a scientific and logical sequence. Remember, when we only hear, we forget. When we are only taught by someone, we may learn, but when we do activities ourselves, we understand much more. Experience is the best teacher. By performing activities, children gather hands-on experience, and that is the Montessori philosophy. The Montessori approach, Montessori method, views the child as one who is naturally eager for knowledge and capable of initiating learning in a supportive, fully prepared learning environment. It attempts to develop children cognitively, physically, socially and emotionally. Montessori activities can be divided into 5 categories, as you can see. By performing exercises of practical life activities, the child will learn the life skills for taking care of self and others. While performing the Montessori sensorial activities, use senses through touch, feel, see, hear and even smell and taste to understand colors, sizes, weights, textures and other physical properties of matter in a concrete form. By performing arithmetic activities, the child will learn relationships between number names and quantities, followed by learning counting skills and using the same to learn 4 arithmetic operations. By performing language activities, the child will learn to use phonics for reading and writing purposes. Enrichment activities like singing, dancing, dramatics, arts and crafts are not only fun but also encourage and stimulate the young mind to always be happy and socially active. We must share with you the famous quotation of Dr. Maria Montessori, who is the founder of the Montessori education. Education cannot be effective unless it helps the child open up himself to life. The second academic program is the Bookkit Activities. The Bookkit curriculum is engaging, relevant and significant for young learners. The curriculum is interdisciplinary, meaning that it focuses on issues that go across subject areas. The preparation is done by regular Bookkit activities through various worksheets, pattern writings, math activities, drawing, coloring and writing, and of course digital class interactions. This is the traditional way of learning, but our books are unique and amazing, colorful and developed in a child-friendly manner. Books are our own publications by My Bright Books and digitally augmented for multimedia experienced children through Arkansas technology. Children just love it and learn more as they get their favorite anytime, anywhere teacher for every pages of our books. You just have to open a page of our book and all the images, alphabet, words, rhymes, stories and many more concepts to come alive in a few seconds, once scanned through mobile camera using the free mobile app given to each and every child. Just imagine that your child can have a teacher anytime, anywhere and any number of times. Instructions are delegated in a complete, appropriate, structured manner, leveraging the teacher's knowledge and years of teaching experience. Interactive smart class activities are the third academic program. In the era of great technological advancement, where the world is changing rapidly, leveraging information technology and the internet, our Internet to Smart Plus curriculum help the children to be much more ahead of other preschool programs, providing an engaging and meaningful learning experience. It provides all the engaging visual resources for topic and concept introduction that strengthens concept building in young children. Thematic curriculum, small children that love to think, imagine and do role play. Our thematic teaching covers various age-appropriate stories for children. Stories always strengthens creative thinking and imaginations. Stories are always delivered through flashcards, puppets, role plays and use of many props, which are created and used by the teachers to narrate selective Stories in an interactive and an interesting way to children. It convert thoughts into feelings for children. It is in addition to the 4 academic programs in the curriculum, we believe in the encouragement of the extracurricular activities that promotes a holistic development of children. The various extracurricular activities are weekly theme live interactions, knowledge buzz, and many interesting activities round the year through live sessions and celebrations. We strongly focus on nurturing the creative skills of the children by giving individual attention to each child. We believe each day of your child should be celebrated with perpetuating enthusiasm. We know, if you could, you would give the world to your child. May be the best thing that you can give to your child is a well-rounded education and development of your child, following Bright Kid Montessori House curriculum, to have a bright start and the right start for your child.